What is your name? My name is Rahul. Where do you live? I live in Pune. How old are you? I am 16 years old. In which school do you read? I read in New English School. In which area is your school? My school is in Sadashivpet. In which class do you study? I study in the 10th class. Which is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. Which book do you read to learn English? I read a book of Hasure English speaking course. Where is this book available? This book is available in Pragati Book Center. Where is this shop? This shop is in Appa Balwant Chowk. When will you purchase this book? I will purchase this book on Sunday. Will this shop be open on Sunday? Yes, this shop will be open. Who is your English teacher? My English teacher is Mr. Patil. How do you go to school? I go to school on bicycle. How is your school? My school is one of the best schools in Pune. How many classes are there in your school? There are 20 divisions in my school. How many students are there in your class? There are 50 students in my class. How many students are there in your school? There are 850 students in my school. How many teachers are there in your school? There are 25 teachers in my school. How is your school playground? There is a beautiful and very big playground in my school. Do you play games in the school? Yes, I play cricket and football. When do you come back home from school? I come back from school at 6 p.m. home. How far is the school from your home? Nearly 2 kilometers. When do you do study? I do study in the evening. When do you get up? I get up at 5 a.m. All right, come on. Thank you.